Today I'm going to be teaching you something very tricky. So you're going to need your thinking caps on because this is a very difficult concept. These words right here are CVC words. CVC words are consonant, vowel, consonant words, and you can sound them out on your arm. So let's just go through and sound out just these three words. And I want you to notice something, that they all have the same vowel. They all have the vowel A. And what I've been teaching you in kindergarten so far is that A says ah. Okay, but today I'm going to teach you something new about the vowel A. But before we do that, let's just go ahead and read these three words. This one is k, a, n, can. This one is t, a, p, tap. This one is k, a, p, cap. All right, so we've got can, tap, cap. But what I'd like to talk to you about today is something called silent E. Now, when you put a silent E at the end of these words, and when I say silent E, I mean that the E is not actually going to make a sound. It's going to be silent. So I'm going to add a silent E here, a silent E here, and a silent E here. Okay, now that I've added a silent E, the word completely changes because the silent E, even though it's silent, it still does a job. The silent E is going to make the vowel, which is A. It's going to make the vowel say its name. So the A is not going to say ah anymore. Now, because of the silent E, because the silent E is bossy and it's making that A say its name. Okay, so that silent E has a job. Even though it's not saying a sound, it's making the A say a different sound, and the A is going to say its name. So now let's sound it out with the A saying its name. K, A, N, cane. So instead of being can, when there's a silent E there, now it's cane because the A says A. Same thing here. Tap is not going to be tap anymore because there's a silent E making the A say A. So it's t, a, p, tape. Cap is not cap anymore. The E is making the A say A. So it's k, a, p, cape. All right. I sent something on Seesaw that looks like this. And it's kind of a little worksheet to practice this, where you're going to put the silent E in the box. You're going to say cap plus a silent E is cape. And then there's a picture over here of a cape. Okay. Can, when you add a silent E to it, now it's cane, cane. And then there's a cane. You have to add the silent E. This tap, when you add an E to it, it's ape, tape. So there's the tape, okay? So what you do is you cut out these E's, you put them in here. If you don't have scissors and glue, you could just write the E in here, it's fine. And then you rewrite the whole word, okay? So you can practice doing that. I did give your parents that. And then here's kind of a little poster about it. Move this out of the way. And so you have a letter, any letter, and then A, and then another letter, and this silent E is making the A say its name, and these two letters can change around. So like, for example, cane, K, the A is saying A, N, cane, because the E is making the A say A. Face, f, a, face, v, a, s, vase, t, a, p, tape. G, ate, gate. K, ache, cake. And G, aim, game. Now, if that E were not there, it would say ah, but since it is there, it says its name, A, okay? So this is a very difficult concept, even if you're in school. So trust me, the first grade teachers will be teaching you this again next year. All right. Bye, you guys. Thanks.